Get ready to say konnichiwa to a brand new dining experience in Burnham-On-Sea. The town is about to get a taste of Japan like never before, thanks to the upcoming opening of Ebisu, a Japanese restaurant that's already making waves in Weston-super-Mare. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just another eatery. It's a culinary adventure that promises to shake up the local food scene. And this is the part most people miss. Ebisu isn't just about sushi, though they'll have plenty of that. It's about bringing a really different menu to Burnham, complete with freshly made noodles, curries, and more. Located on College Street, in the space once occupied by Dragon Rise Takeaway, the restaurant is currently undergoing a transformation into a modern dining haven. A spokesperson for Ebisu shared with Burnham-On-Sea.com, "We're targeting a December or January opening, depending on how the refurbishment goes. It's a fantastic spot, and we can't wait to introduce something unique to Burnham." With a successful 7-year run in Weston and plans for a third location in Taunton, Ebisu is clearly on a roll. But here's the controversial part. Will Burnham residents embrace Japanese cuisine as wholeheartedly as their neighbors in Weston? Only time will tell. In the meantime, whether you're dining in or ordering via Uber Eats, one thing's for sure. Ebisu is set to become a must-visit destination for food lovers. So, what do you think? Is Burnham ready for this culinary revolution? Let us know in the comments.